Hey guys, what's going on? All muscle. Just, out here working on the F250. I bought this 250. It's a '06 Lariat, and I needed a set of injectors. So you know me, I went crazy. Anyways, we took down the motor. I'll show you this here. We're in the process of putting it back together, but we took it down. And before we put the heads on, we went through all the valves and found that there was too much play in the valve guides. The guides were worn on maybe like 14 out of the 32 injectors valves. So what I did is I just instead of having the guides put in, everybody wanted a arm and a dick to put valve guides in. So I just went ahead and bought some new factory Ford replacements, and I just wanted to put this out on video here because with the factory Ford replacements, let me pop this valve. This valve's already out. Get that. Hold that for me. I just wanted to note that these ones already come with pressed in hardened seats. And which other one did you pull out? This other one? Yeah, pull that. Yeah. And then also, I don't know how well you could see in there, but it's going to be probably pretty terrible. But that there in the background, is a guide. So these come from Ford now with guides that are not part of the cylinder head. These cylinder heads had the guides that were incorporated into the head, which is basically part of the casting, and the valve seats, which were always notoriously cracked. Here, pull me out one of these intakes so I can show the intake off. They were notorious for the valve seats to crack. The heads that came off this truck only had a little over 100,000 miles on it, and the valve seats were fine. I had them all lapped in, ready to go, and came across some valves that were just basically just too loose in the valve guide area. So we decided to go, machine shop hunting. I can't do the machining work that I wish I could, because I know I'd get it done right. But anyways, we went machine shop hunting, found a guy. He claims he does good work. I've had recommendation, this and that. Left the damn heads over there for 4 weeks almost, and he couldn't get to. I guess he was just too damn busy. He couldn't get the guides done, whatever the case was. So I just went ahead and bought new heads. I didn't want to deal with it anymore. So pull out. Okay, pull off the. I'll just do it right here. Here's an intake valve. Here's a shot of the intake valve. Again, these are you can see the line there. Normally it's just basically one piece. It's actually part of the casting here. But these have, like I said, been machined to accept hardened valve seats and valve guides. So just a quick tidbit, and I was actually impressed with that, because now if this thing ever needs new seats or whatever, you don't have to machine the head anymore. It's already done. You could pop that in there and machine the seal. Machine the valve seat, and you're ready to go. So that's pretty cool. I thought that was pretty nice. And only thing I did have to do on these is give them a paint job, because they came raw steel, and just taped them off and put a paint job on them. But anyways, this side here is already assembled. If you see that, we've already got the rocker box on with the rockers. There's a set of new injectors on this side, all 4 factory injectors, and then we've got the ARP studs in here. So everything in here is fresh. We also went ahead and put the where's those the push rods. We put the new updated push rods, if I can find them.
Yeah, I got them here.
There we go.
Box of parts.
Yeah, so this is the updated push rod. It's a bit shorter than the factory originals, but these are the only ones that they offer through Ford anymore. So this is all you can get. So updated push rods, brand new injectors, brand new heads, all new valves, valve seats, hardened valve seats, guides. Guides are in there. Also, there's going to be new injector cups in here. So buying this from Ford was probably the best thing I could have done, and time wise and save money, because You know, machine shops nowadays, number one, you don't, unless you have tooling to check your check the work and whatnot. You never know what you're gonna get, and unless you got a great guy, then you know he's not giving you any bullshit. But yeah, so anyways, we've already got that side assembled. What we're gonna do here, this truck's also getting a new oil cooler, a new EGR cooler, also where the exhaust system's getting. I'm gonna put that in a different video, but we're doing some work to the exhaust from the headers up, and then we got a new water pump going in, Ford Motorcraft pump. All this whole area here is going to be cleaned out. It's going to look real nice as soon as I'm done with it. But right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back to work, and we're going to put this side head on before the day ends up running out on us. So we got this here ready to go. We'll see you on the next one. I'll keep you updated. I got a bunch of new parts for this truck, so I want to basically freshen up. There's rocker box gasket, all new. Sealing all the way from the head gasket all the way up. I did use factory Ford head gaskets here. Crack that open. That's another thing I actually forgot to mention, that you will get new head gaskets when you buy these heads from Ford. They will provide you with new head gaskets. They come in this little packaging here.
They even send you the bolts.
And they even send you the bolt set.
The dowel pins.
A new set of dowel pins, and there's also dowel pin reducers if you're running 18 millimeter versus the 20 millimeter heads. So they got you covered on that. I don't know where the hell did you put the reducers? Oh, here they are.
They even come with the standoff pipes.
Oh yeah, they even come with the standpipes here. There's the reducers in there, and then these are the standpipes here. So I thought that was pretty awesome, actually, and
Nice.
you know, it's a really nice kit. So if you guys are looking for heads, you know, I know shit, I don't know, was it Kill Devil? Kill Devil makes a pretty nice set where they have them O-ringed and all that stuff, but they're like 12 weeks out. They charge an arm and a dick for them. So you know, these trucks, you know, unless you're going crazy taking them to the racetrack or some shit, you know, just keep them all factory. You shouldn't have any problems. I've ran these trucks over 200,000. You know, as long as you know what you're working on and how to maintain them, these trucks have no problems just the way they are from the factory. Now, when you start pushing, you know, extra fuel in there and adding boost pressure and all that shit, then yeah, you got to go do all that crap that you know you don't need to do. But you just want a good, honest running truck that'll make it up that hill with that trailer. You have no problem here. Don't overload it. You know, don't overload it on hot days. You know, watch your EGTs and do things that might, you know, lower your EGTs. EGTs is a big deal. You know, open up the exhaust, you know, different EGR coolers, things like that. So just watch that stuff, and you guys should be fine. But anyways, I'm rambling on. I haven't seen you guys in a while, but you know, just out here working, guys. I do what I can, and right now I'm basically making a video on this, show you guys what's going on, and got a bunch of new things here on the lot. One of my new favorites here is this V12 twin turbo car. It's a S65. Of course, I got my Corvette under here, and got another Corvette under here, and another Corvette on the side, and got another AMG car out there. It's a CL55. But anyways, just showing you around. I might make some more videos here in the upcoming near future here, just to finish off this little series for this truck. But anyways, I'll keep in touch with you guys. You guys have any questions, send me a message. Let me know what you think of the setup out here. All right, you guys be cool. I'll see you on the next one.